Hello, Alex here, Retro Super Bikes, doing a little unboxing and unveiling of this new product from Moman, the H2E communications device. Let's have a little look, shall we? What do you think, Jess? Shall we look? This has up to 1,000 metre connection distance, voice assistant, 800 MAH battery, audio mixing mode, FM radio and music sharing. Okay, let's have a look. Wow. Got a smart piece of kit there. Very lightweight, very good quality. You see that? What else do we get that comes with it? Jazz doesn't want to get involved. Jazz doesn't want to do it. She doesn't want to get involved. So your usual cats in a bloody knives. You get the usual clamp as you might expect. And then obviously your mounting clamp. Your USB 3 or Type-C charger. Nice, good quality microphone. That could be your choice of microphone. And your two earpieces. Instruction manual. Next thing then, just get it fitted.
Welcome to another episode of me waffling absolute rubbish. At the moment I'm out road testing brand new products from Moman Motorcycle Communications, the H2E. It's got a 1,000 metre range, so your mate can be a kilometre away and you can still talk to each other. FM radio, music player, music sharing, so you can share it between you all. So far, great fit, nice and easy. I've fitted a few communication systems now, and this has to be the simplest one. Great quality. And from the use I've had of it so far, it seems to be a very good budget bit of kit. And if you buy it from the link I put in the description, you can get 10% off by using the discount code Retro H2E. 10% off, eh? That's good, isn't it? Let's put it this way, the amount you can save, you can subscribe to me for exclusive content for a whole year and still have change. That's wicked, isn't it? Had a little listen back to the Moman H2E sound quality that I've recorded on the way up here. It sounds very good. I'm very surprised. Who knows, you might even be listening to me now through it. Whoa. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there, people. Wrap up warm. See you in the spring.